Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling mobile data and opening the hotspot controls. Turn off battery saver because it can block tethering. Once done, check your carrier plan to confirm hotspot is allowed and you have data left. Make sure to rename the SSID to something unique and set a strong password. Choose 4 GHz if devices struggle with 5 GHz. Now move directly to connecting your client device so you can verify the link and collect any error messages. You should now use the client device to join the hotspot. First, forget old networks to avoid automatic mismatches. If the client fails to get an IP, manually set an address like 192.168.43.10 with gateway 192.168.43.1 and DNS 8.8.8.8. DHCP issues are common. Once connected, disable any VPN or alternative cellular data on the client so traffic routes through the hotspot. You finish by testing web access and then a single app to confirm DNS and routing are functioning. If things still misbehave, reboot both the phone and the client. A full reset of hotspot settings often clears cached conflicts. Once rebooted, re-enter the password and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if the client still cannot connect, toggle airplane mode on the host for 10 seconds then off. This forces a fresh radio handshake and resolves many stubborn tethering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.